Hi guys, so I have with me my first ever Nokia touchscreen Android phone that I've ever got. That was back in the start of 2022 I'm gonna say. The Nokia C20. I've got loads more Nokias now, of course the touchscreen Android ones. I did get the Nokia Lumia before. But yeah, here we go. Here is the first ringtone. Yep. Oops. I have yet to hear that ringtone in a public setting. 'Cause I've never heard it. You've got to love Nokia spirals. Just reminds me of stairs. Up and down. Nokia stones. Oopsies, sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Oh my days. Oh my days. My talkback has decided to go silent.
Vibrate for calls. Always.
There we go.
Do not shortcut. Phone ringtone SIM1 Nokia tune.
Good.
Phone ringtone SIM2 Nokia tune. Advanced. Default.
So now we're going to go to default notification
Default
sound.
notification sound. Ticked. Nokia none. Heading.
I went too far. And yeah, that's it. Now for alarm tones. Why is that so quiet? When I turn talkback on and off. Why is my talkback taking so long to turn on? It's being a wee bit weird, but it's okay.
Ring.
Yes, ring. She's talking about the
Phone
volume.
ringtone. Default alarm sound. Ticked. Nokia. Back off.
That's better. Alright, here we go. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll turn this off. If my talkback actually works.
Emergency.
Oh no,
Power off.
we're not doing emergencies, right? Power off.
Restart. Power off.
Power off, there we go. And it is now shut down. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Stop recording button.